Hello my friends! We have a lot of cars in my family and this is one of them. This is probably 20 years old. Niva. It's Soviet Union produced car with a Peugeot 1.9 liter diesel engine and manual gearbox with high gear, low gear and differential block. I really have feelings that I need confuse my channel viewers and my subscribers even more. The car wash movie is missing in my channel and here it is, please enjoy! This car wash video will be specific about that kind of old cars. We cannot use high pressure water because if we will start use high pressure cleaning, the whole painting will be off and we will need to paint this evening it again.
Wow.
And even to use low pressure water is not necessary. This car is so nice that you can just take this without water and start use it on the car, or just grab something and just clean it up also without water and shampoo. But in case that we are doing car wash, of course we will use water. We will use maybe some shampoo and I'm sure we will not polish in the end. Why? We don't need to polish that kind of car. This is like 70-year-old design from Soviet Union. And it's placed here from factory. Very primitive engine, eating fuel a lot and have just little bit horsepower, maybe 50. Jeez, have a nice day. Bye. This late evening one more time we decide just to go to the forest with the whole family this evening and just to make some fire. Here is one shelter, it's built by Marcus. Here is one much bigger shelter, it's made by me some 1 or 2 years ago. I have some small helpers and you just can imagine it's how easy it is to do anything with those small helpers, and even more to try film this and then edit and post. I know that many of you are very confused because I'm so colored. It's so much different stuff in my channel and it's hard to understand about what it is and will be. But I'm for sure can say you the main idea is just homesteading and everything what is all around homesteading. Architectural part is just in the beginning, it will be some few episodes more and that's it, because it's my main job. I'm architect, as you know. For this reason are these specific movies as about architectural for homesteaders. Just enjoy this evening. Thank you again that you are together with me. I very hope I will create and do interesting movies for you. Bye this evening. Yes.